I've seen bad things. I've seen terrible things on the job, for sure. We've been to very dark places, but this is beyond my comprehension.
It's not the dead that excites him, Oscar. It's death itself. He has to be there at that precise moment. It's a kind of penetration. There's your motive.
Do you have to speak about it with quite so much relish?
Well, some boys collect butterflies.
And for you, it's murderous. What's the matter with you, Max?
All murders are sickening. Oscar, why do you find this one so repellent?
Why do you find it so fascinating? Sometimes you actually sound like you're enjoying it. Murder is a sexual act. What? Affection, intimacy, are sacred, beautiful things, Max. What kind of man taints these things with murder?
That's exactly why we need to find him. Exactly why we need to peer inside his mind.
Well, it was interesting to run into Clara again. She didn't seem happy to see you.
Yes. Too many things have happened, too many... We had a flirtation.
Mm-hmm.
Next thing I know, she's called off her engagement.
Quite a scandal, huh?
It's like two stars colliding whenever we come together. We agreed never to meet again. Always seems to end in devastation.
To devastation.
To devastation.